You can completely change your financial life in just 6 months. No lottery, no luck, just strategy, discipline, and the right habits. If you are in your 20s, this is the best time to take control because the habits you build now will shape the rest of your life. Here's exactly how you can do that. Hi, my name is Davis. I run my own pressure washing business right now, but I wasn't always good with money. A few years ago, I was broke, living paycheck to paycheck, even when working as an electrical engineer. But through trying and failing and trying again, I completely turned my finances around. And today, I am sharing how you can do that too. Now, let us begin. First, you need to audit your finances. Know where your money is going. Before you fix anything, you need to know the problem. Track every dollar for at least 30 days. Use an app or even a notebook. Most people are shocked by how much they waste on things they don't even need. Second, cut any financial leaks. Cancel any unused subscriptions. Stop taking out those daily takeouts and also limit impulse spending. Small leaks can sink big ships. Plug them now and you'll save hundreds. Third on the list is create a 6-month game plan. Set a clear goal. This could be like paying off $1,000 debt, save $3,000, or even build a $500 emergency fund. Break it down into weekly targets. 6 months sounds like too long, but it is just 24 weeks of focused action. 4. Build an emergency fund first. Even if it is just $500 at first, this saves you from using credit cards for emergencies. Peace of mind is priceless and it gives you a strong foundation. Fifth on the list is start a side hustle for extra cash. If you are in your 20s, you have the time and you have the energy. Use it. Learn a skill, offer a service. Start something simple that makes an extra $200 to $500 a month. That extra money accelerates your 6-month plan. The sixth is automate savings and debt payments. Set up auto transfers the day you get paid. When saving and paying debt is automatic, you remove temptations and excuses. Seventh on the list is invest in your money education. Read at least one book on money every month. Watch content like this. Follow people who teach financial literacy and who actually practice what they preach. Because the truth is, your mindset shapes your money more than your income does. So if you want to change your finances in 6 months, this is what you need to do. Track your money, cut leaks, make a plan, build savings, add extra income, automate and educate yourself. Do this and you'll be ahead of the 90% of people your age. If you're ready to take control of your money, comment below. My 6 months start today, and hit the subscribe button for more tips on building wealth, side hustles, and financial freedom in your 20s. Your financial future doesn't change overnight, but it can in 6 months if you start now. The question is, will you?